Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you manually charge a card in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually charge a card in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers are going to call you to process their card over the phone. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Stripe account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually process a credit card, there's two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is you can click on the plus icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you want to click on payment. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be able to set up the manual payment. Let me go ahead and go back to the home screen. The other way you can get to that screen is you can click on transactions here on the top left. Once you click there, you want to click on create payment. It's the purple button here on the top right. And then you want to click on manual payment. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the amount. Let's say this is $300. Here you can go ahead and add the customer. You can add a description. This is optional, but I would recommend it. It can help prevent chargebacks, especially if your customer is not going to recognize this charge, 1 month or 2 months later. And then down here, you can go ahead and manually enter in the credit card information as they're telling you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually charge a card using your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.